Anil sir, join. Hamya. Okay, here, sir. Sorry. Everybody about the activity is because everybody would have watched this activity on YouTube. I'm very sure you would have watched this on YouTube. Chinese whisper. Heard about it? Chinese whisper. I will not be, whispering anything. Instead, I will show you some action. Okay? That action should be conveyed till the last. All right? I'll be showing the action to sir over there. Once sir get to know that action, what you have to do is you need to tap sir and he will turn back and he will look at the action. You have to show it to him and he will understand that action and again he will turn here. He will tap the person who's right in front of him and this person will turn again and he will show the action. You will learn the action. You have to convey it. It will. Let's see how well it goes on until here. Sir, you are the last person here. All the best. Okay, so firstly, I want everyone to stand in this direction. Until and unless the person behind you tap your back. Nimma benna muttad mele matra, you need to turn over. All right? Until and unless that call, please do not look back. I want get a bit closer. Little closer. Sir, little closer. Ah, that's enough. Sir, closer. 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 Sir, I want you to come forward. Sir, go there. Yeah. All the best. So, ready? Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a huge applause for all our participants here? Come on. Did you understand the activity? Yes? All the best. So, here comes the action. Ready? Everybody look forward. Nobody are supposed to look behind. All our participants, all our fathers who are on stage, look forward. Do not look back. Too good, too good, too good. ಮರ್ತೋದ್ರು Sir, please come. Please enlighten us. What was the action, last action conveyed? Sir, what did I show you to you, sir? Yes, show it to everyone. Huh. It was a simple, basic action. Back to your place, back to your place. I'll give you one easy one. Let's see how well it goes. Can we have a huge round of applause for everybody here? I'll give a very easy one this time. Everybody look forward. Very easy one. Huh? From there, huh? Okay, we'll start from there. Or here. Simple, very simple gestures. Okay, we'll have the same thing. All right, ready? All the best, sir. Everybody, look forward. Look forward. Very easy. Amazing. Sir is like, hey, why da? Boys are very expert in this. Sir, please come. Sir is like, why me in the end? Please enlighten. Sir, what was that, sir? Side, side. Sir, do it properly. What are you calling? Okay, and at the end it came like this. March past. Anyways, can we have a huge applause for all our fathers here? Dear parents, this is just some fun here in between because everybody should be in smiles here. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, dear fathers who came forward. It was pleasure having you all here. Thank you. I cannot hear. Yes or no? Okay, so few of your family members are seated here. The reason why I'm expressing this particular line is because without your help, these participants, I mean your family members, cannot win this game. Without your help and support. Are you all ready to help them? Only you are telling, sir. Yes or no? All right. So let's go. Here comes the game rule. At the count of 3 to 1, I'll be asking for something. All right. You need to run to the crowd. Whatever that thing is, take that thing, grab that in your hand, come back and sit in whichever chair is empty. In every round, one chair will be removed. One chair will be getting minus. Who doesn't get a chair, they will be out of the game. Okay? Whatever I ask, I hope everybody are ready to give it. Are you all ready? I don't know whether you give it or not. All the best. But whatever I ask, if it is present within yourself, for example, let's assume I'm asking for a watch. Everybody would be tying a watch. But the watch will not be considered. Or here you're not supposed to exchange here. You need to get it from the crowd only. All the very best. So shall we begin the first round? Yeah, easy things only, ma'am. All right. Ready? Let's go. Every round, one chair will be taken off. First round starts right now. Go.
My heart has got no pain.
Mobile.
This love is getting me trapped.
Faster.
So
Faster.
under
Ma'am.
moonlight we dance.
First round only outer. Music off. Please clap for madam here. Well played. Okay, everyone has got a mobile? Yes? Okay, kindly return the mobiles. And get me as soon as possible. I want one lady's handbag.
We know you're everything I crave. This deadly pleasure feeding on our brave.
Ma'am, outer. Well played. Please clap for madam here, everyone. What are you searching for? Sandals. Okay, kindly return the handbags. Okay, go and get me as soon as possible. I want a key. House key, car key, bike key. Key. Time ಆಯ್ತು ಮಾ. Key. Ma'am, this is not key. Go, go. Show you. I asked for a key and she's got a hair clip. We are all proud Bangaloreans. That's okay. Okay, keys. Keys are really super important. Please return to the owner only. In this round, what we want is go and get me one handkerchief. Somebody went for a hunt and never came back. Somebody went for hunting. Who is that? Ma'am, oh, she's already here. Out, huh? Okay, handkerchief. Ma'am, what handkerchief is this? Baby ka handkerchief. Handkerchief. I hope it is in good condition. Please return it. Return it. Okay, next round I'll in this round, go and get me as soon as possible. Okay, the game is getting tougher and tougher. I need to ask some difficult things. I want a belt. Belt. Madam, timeaachi, man. Appadingla. Okay, belt. Thank you for being such a sport. Please clap for them. Okay, please return the belts. Belts are super important. Get me as soon as possible. One, spectacles, specs. Madam, even I am a human being here. Nanu manshane illi nintirovanu. You could have asked me, I would have given it to you. That is one swag. Enta ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? What do you call? Swag glasses. What do you? No. There's one word comes. Huh? Rapper glasses, right? Okay. Anyways, thank you so much. Please return the glass. All the best. What shall we ask is, go and get me as soon as possible. I want, listen carefully. One, I need a lipstick. Lipstick? What is this pencil? Okay. Lipstick. Yo, I need to get educated with lipsticks now. Okay, thank you so much. Please return as soon as possible. One 2,000 rupees note. Go. Madam. Banni madam, ವಾಪಸ್ ಬನ್ನಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. 2,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ನೋಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಗಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಮೇಡಮ್. ನಾವು ಕೇಳೋದು ದೊಡ್ಡದು, ಇವರು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಬರಕ್ಕೆ. ವಾವ್. You did not go. But all others, blindly they're going. Where will you find that 2,000 rupees note? Now don't tell Bangaloreans, huh? No. Appa. And he's telling I'm Bangalorean, I'll do GPay. Okay, ready? Let's go. In this round, go and get me as soon as possible. One water bottle. Hey, ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಅದು? మీ అబ్బా హస్బెండ్ సార్, ఏం సార్ మీరు ఇట్లంతా చేస్తే? Thank God I did not ask for sandals and shoes. You would have thrown it from there then. Hey, తీసుకోమా అనేసి. Okay, please return the bottles. Okay, do not ask anything from me from now on. Okay? Go and get me as soon as possible. I want what? Paper. Watch is delicate. It'll cut. Huh? Kids. No. Headphones. No. Go and get me somebody's, listen carefully. I want somebody's present shirt or t-shirt. Go. Your time starts now. Not. Shirt or t-shirt? Shirt or t-shirt? Our good name is Victoria. Please clap for Madam Victoria, everybody. Well played, sir. Sir, he is coming now to remove the shirt. Time ho gaya bhai. Okay, please return the shirts and t-shirt. Yaro elle Salman Khan. Don't wear the t-shirt. Look there. My God. He is ready to do anything for his mama. Can we have a huge round of applause? Nice. All right, now that we are in the final round, and the two participant names are
Aarti. Surya.
Surya and Aarti. Can we have a huge round of applause for both the mothers here? All right, in this final round, we need to ask something way too unique, something way too expensive. What shall we ask? iPhone. Kidney. Okay, what? iPhone 16. Much more expensive than that. Huh? Gold chain. ನಾನು ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ರಾಜಾ. Huh? Samsung Galaxy. No. Much more expensive. और ज्यादा expensive होना है भाई. Car key. లేదు అదేం లేదు. Platinum. Oh, ಏನೋ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ಯಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. Okay. Here I am asking one particular thing, mothers, participants, until now, whether they give it or not, you would just go, grab it and get it. ಅಂದ್ರೆ కిత్ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ఇద్రి అవునా పోయిన తర్వాత పోయిందే మీరేం చేస్తా ఉంట్రి ఇంచొప్పు ఇంగ్లీష్ ఇస్ ఫైన్ రైట్ యూ వుడ్ జస్ట్ గో గ్రాబ్ ఇట్ ಅಂದ್ರೆ యూ వుడ్ జస్ట్ గో pick it up and come. But right now, I want you to go and request, sir, madam, please give it, request, and then get this thing. All right? This is expensive and sensitive wala item. Everybody told we are all one big family of Little Millennium. Yes or no? Only kids are shouting, yes or no? Stay on the word. This is just entertainment. This is just fun. Tamasha bas utna hi. All right? Go and get as soon as possible one white hair. Go. One great. Madam, who gave it to you? Ma'am, please come here. None of the hair was lost. And ma'am, I asked for one hair. She's got 1, 2, 3 hair here. And who's the owner of this? Sir, thank you for. Can we have a huge round of applause for sir, everybody? Okay, for Madam Surya here, she is the winner of this game. Thank you so much, Aarti ma'am and Surya ma'am. Thank you.